Auto Repair Tools Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global auto repair tools market size will be $25,142.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America auto repair tools market size of $10,057.00 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe auto repair tools market size of $7,542.75 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.7% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific auto repair tools market size of $5,782.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America auto repair tools market size of $1,257.13 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa auto repair tools market size of $502.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.